Zero human intervention, full automation. STUAA brings you the future of industrial robotics. The AMR automatically transfers workpieces from the Tack welding station to the circumferential welding station, performing automatic clamping and welding. After the circumferential weld is completed, the AMR automatically transfers the workpiece to the rasp bar automatic Tack welding workstation for automated welding. Line laser guidance and arc tracking technology dynamically adjust the torch angle, ensuring distortion-free welding on 6 mm thick materials. Dual station design with 2 welding robots and 1 handling robot per station. Each component completed in just 55 minutes. Data integration with PLM and IoT connectivity.